Next boat out on the water, Xplicit, driven by Chris Hearne on the water.
So there we go. Really nice guy down Rob.
Chris just circulating up the top end of the Windsor River just to warm up his engine.
Yeah, I'm not sure if it has one of the most prestigious boat races in Tasmania. So we've got the 50-50 girls that have joined us here in the central commentary position. Under those CCP, central commentary position. And they're going around doing a 50-50 raffle. So you can buy a raffle ticket and all the money that is raised, they'll draw a ticket out.
White flag is... White flag is down for Chris Hearne and Xplicit. As Chris takes it down the bottom turn 1 and 2. And brings it back up the main straight. Chris Hearne in Xplicit. Takes it around turn 3 and 4. Takes it down to turn 3 and 4, 1 and 2, and brings it back onto the main straight. And checker flag is flying.